Maundu mekuhana go kiharoini kia ndege kia Jomo Kenyatta kiroko kia umuthi kuria gikundi kia ateng'eri makinyithirie maguru mao thi kuuma mucii wa London thutha wao gukorwo kuu kwa kahinda ga thiku 10 na gutirihwo mahenya maya mari namba 2. Akiaria muhotani wa ngoga ya thahabu ihenya-ini ria mita 1500 Elijah Manangoi nioigite ati ni hariirie guthii na mbere na kwandikithia muumirira mega thiini wa mahenya maria mari mbere yake makiria akirongoreria mbitika cia Commonwealth iria cierigirirwo mwaka twerekeire.
Next season I'm going to Zurich. We are going to done a very nice final Diamond League in Zurich, and I hope so. I'm going to run very well in Zurich. I'm pretty in good form, so I'm looking forward to close the season in a good side.
Ona thengia yao gukorwo matandikithitie muumirira mega muteng'eri Margaret Nyairera na Julius Yego ni moigite ati urari mutino muru kwaga kurikia wega no ni mehariirie kurehe ugaruruku mahenya-ini meguka kuona ni makuranite mathina maria maramagomeire.
I had a problem with my groin, my tongue. It's small. I have to see the doctor before the end of the week, and then I will know how long I will be out, like without any training, just healing. So before the end of the week I'll have the full results.
Akolegia konta build up da beririe day rate todo da koleto de college da college dalekire mweri wa kere na mweri wa kere already ngoragwo nyambĩtie build up riu ni kuonania mwaka uyu ni ndakoretwo njereirwo.
Kocha Bernard Ouma nioigite ati mathina maria maronekire mwena wa London matifatie gucokia na thutha ateng'eri aya na mugaru ni ithenya riega ria guthoma.
No, because mistakes are bound to happen. It is a competition, and the mistakes are the challenges. That's what define the win and the losers.
Mwena-ini wake minista wa mathako Dr. Hassan Wario ni agathiririe ateng'eri aya ni muumirira mega na kuga ati ni meguthie na mbere na mibango ya kuona Kenya ni yatabania mahenya mathe gukinyiria mwaka wa 2023.
We want to bid for World Championships 2023. World Athletic Championship 2023. Na tunatumai kazi inaanza sasa kujenga zile stadium 3 Nairobi, Mombasa, Eldoret zile kubwa, na tunamalizia zile 7 tulikuwa tumeanza katika counties, na tutaanza zingine 7 ili tuende counties zingine pia. Kwa hivyo tunaanza kazi ya kuhakikisha kuwa kuna stadium za kutosha.
Kenya mahenya-ini maya irarikirie iri namba 2 na ngoga 11, 5 cia thahabu, mahiga 2 ma silver na athaki 4 kuhota bronze. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Mwihaki wa Ndogo.